At Sherwin-Williams Protective Marine, we offer products that safeguard assets with sustainability in mind. Preserving industrial assets in an environmentally responsible manner at this scale and significance is no small task, but we are up to the challenge. We work tirelessly with industry experts to reduce asset maintenance cycles, formulate coatings low in greenhouse gas emissions, limiting energy consumption and waste, support our customers in their green building initiatives, and collaborate with industry partners. Our coatings protect critical infrastructure that provides us with energy, water, and transportation. In the energy sector, we work to extend the lifespan of the infrastructure while minimizing environmental impacts and supporting long-term operational efficiency. In manufacturing and processing, we provide long-lasting coating solutions that protect facility assets and support health and safety regulations. From floors and roofs to steel and everything in between, we provide fire protection solutions that deliver life-saving performance while supporting modern building and environmental infrastructure requirements. Our high-performance flooring solutions follow green building specifications and practices, reducing the need for frequent replacements and reducing environmental impact. And for water and wastewater infrastructure, we create durable solutions that maximize our impact through collaborations like the American Water Works Association 2050 initiative. Every sustainability effort counts, and we're proud of the progress we've made, but we're not done yet. At Sherwin-Williams, we continually work towards the intention of reducing our carbon footprint, conserving resources, and formulating products with minimal VOC. Across all industries, Sherwin-Williams offers innovative coating solutions tailored to your needs and a sustainable future. No matter the industry, Sherwin-Williams has a coating solution to fit your needs as we innovate for a sustainable future.